Hi everyone, this is Samuel from Zoom. The LiveTrak L12 Next is designed for musicians who need a digital mixer with the power of a multi-track recorder. Whether you're mixing a live show, rehearsing, recording music, or streaming, the L12 Next combines advanced digital features with intuitive tactile controls to make mixing fast and easy. For live performance and rehearsals, the L12 Next puts you in total control so you can mix with speed and confidence. Perfect for stage or rehearsal room setups. Each channel has 3 dedicated knobs for gain, EQ, compression, panning, and sends, with easy switching between different functions. No more diving through menus, just jump in and start mixing. When it comes to recording, the L12 Next captures up to 14 tracks simultaneously. That's your 12 individual tracks plus a stereo mix directly to an SD card. With advanced recording features like overdub mode and auto punch in and out, precise layering and re-recording is easy. You can even load in extra tracks, and when you're finished, the mixdown function creates a polished stereo master. The master channel records in 32-bit float to ensure your final mix is free from clipping, even if individual channels peak. A dedicated master compressor adds professional warmth and saturation to the stereo mix and the main outputs. The L12 Next's upgraded preamps deliver ultra-low noise and up to 70 dB of gain. Inputs 1 and 2 feature high Z for guitars and basses, while channels 3 to 8 include pad switches for handling loud sources. Phantom power is available on all channels. For monitoring, 5 independent outputs let every musician create a personal mix for headphones, in-ears, or stage monitors. You can set custom mixes with the channel knobs, and the last headphone output allows you, as the engineer, to listen in to each of the custom mixes. You can store up to 10 scene memories to instantly recall fader, EQ, pan, mute, and effects presets. Ideal for quickly switching setups during live shows or sessions. Control the L12 Next wirelessly from your iPad using the L12 Next control app, allowing you to adjust faders, scenes, EQs, and effects remotely. LED meters on every channel show real-time levels at a glance, and you can display true internal fader positions as you switch mixes by holding down the fader position button, helping you recall mixes quickly between sets. Enhance your mix with 16 onboard effects including reverbs, delays, and more, all easily accessible on the mixer. The L12 Next doubles as a 14-in 4-out USB audio interface for Mac, Windows, and mobile devices. Record to your computer and the SD card simultaneously, sync click tracks or backing tracks, and even control your DAW from the mixer. The L12 Next can also integrate smoothly with streaming software, making it the perfect hub for podcasts, live performances, and broadcasts. For hands-free control during recording or live performance, connect the optional Zoom FS01 footswitch to mute effects, punch in and out, and control playback instantly, even mid-song. For more information about the LiveTrak L12 Next, check out the other videos on our YouTube channel and visit our website, zoomcorp.com. Good luck and enjoy creating.